All right, number 9, we need to graph this equation. We can do this in a couple different ways. One way would be to turn it into y equals mx plus b. We could turn it into slope-intercept form. In order to do that, we'd have to subtract x from both sides. We'd end up with y equals 10 minus x. And in other words, it'd be y equals negative x plus 10. But I want to show you a new way, okay? I want to show you, we could have started at 10. We could go down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, and we're going to have a line that goes diagonally like this. But let me show you a new way. New way here is using standard form. And if it's written in this form where there's an x, maybe there's a coefficient. Maybe there's a number in front. There's a y. Maybe there's a number in front. But if it goes x, y, and then over here we have just a number by itself, well, what we can do is we can, let me see if I can make this, nope, not small enough. All right. What we can do is we can find the y-intercept. All right, well, the x-intercept and the y-intercept, okay? In order to do that, we just cover up the other thing, okay? Sometimes we might have to divide, but let me show you an example here. So like, if I want to find the y-intercept, I know that's where x equals 0. The y-intercept here is where x equals 0. X equals 0 right here. This is left, it's not left and right at all. So my y-intercept, if this was 0, 0 plus, well, it tells me right here y equals 10. So my y-intercept is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 right here. Oh, I got another color. I don't like that. Right here. At 10. So then my x-intercept is actually, it's where y equals 0. So x is also equal to 10. So I'm going to have a spot right here at x equals 10. Now I'm going to have a diagonal line. I'm going to get my ruler out. I'm going to have a diagonal line that goes through 10 and 10. And that will be how standard form works. I prefer standard form over slope-intercept form, to be honest. Sometimes though, like if this had a 2 in front of it, when we covered up this y because it was 0, it would say 2x equals 10, and then we'd have to divide by 2, and we would know our x-intercept is actually at 5, so that would go here instead. But there wasn't a 2 there; it's just a 1. So 1x, it says x equals 10 and y equals 10. So there's your two intersections, and standard form tells you this is at 10 and 10.